proper hygiene, proper care of the environment is a critical element in education and in personal development. The government has provided resources, and we have partnered, as John told you, with Food for the Poor. We provide some resources. They got some assistance to do some on their own. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, the Chase Fund, and many private benefactors have helped us to reach a point where this is one of a segment of 50 upgraded sanitary facilities in primary schools, which will be completed this month.
Food for the Poor is very happy to partner in this with the Ministry of Education, and Minister Thwaites is going to let you know that he has a singular vision to cure the problem of the amount of schools in Jamaica that still had toilets that only pit latrines. And Food for the Poor, JSIF, CASE, Digicel Foundation, all of us are working with the minister to try and make this dream come true for not just this community, but all the others in Jamaica.
We are happy for this new facility. We want to give thanks for the partnership with Food for the Poor, and also for the community members and for the staff who volunteered their time to make this a reality.
And I want to tell you and others that we have another 37 that we are contracting with Food for the Poor to do, and we are confident that by the end of this academic year, no school in Jamaica will have pit latrines only anymore.